Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 65 of our Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to max out our TFSA in the first 3 years of investing. As you can see, the portfolio just jumped to $44,000, so absolutely incredible. We are up $2,026 all time. If we go through the charts here, we can see in the past day we're actually up $150. Lately, the stock market's been pretty booming, so hopefully this continues moving forward. Again, no matter what the stock market does, we're going to continue to dollar cost average on a weekly basis. In the past week, we are up $445. In the past month, we're actually down $120. In the past 3 months, we're up $1,500. And the past year, we're up about $1,100. So as we scroll down here into the portfolio, we actually have $1,500 to play with today. 93 of those dollars coming from dividends. And actually, at the end of the video, I'm going to go through how much I've made in dividends for this year, so 2023, and then how much I've made in my portfolio total with dividends. So it should be kind of exciting for you guys. I know a lot of you ask me on a regular basis or have asked me in the past. So that'll kind of, and what I'll do is actually I'll add that in every video moving forward. So that'd be good for anyone who's asking how much I'm making in dividends, because it is a dividend portfolio. So as we scroll down here, there's a couple different companies I'm going to be buying today, starting with TELUS. So ticker symbol T, great telecommunications company in Canada. We're going to be buying 4 shares of this into our TFSA. So as we go through here, 4 shares, perfect. Confirm order. So just over $100 worth. Again, I'm keeping these individual stocks at about 2.5% of my portfolio. I don't want to be too heavily invested into these individual stocks, but I definitely want to use them because I believe in these specific companies. And speaking of companies I believe in, next we're going to be investing in MFC, or Manulife. And we're going to, again, share price is about the same as TELUS, so we're going to be buying 4 shares of this as well. Both of these stocks, very great dividend yield. I also hold them in my main ETF that we'll actually be buying as well, spoiler alert. But again, these are great companies to hold long term. They pay out a healthy dividend yield, so great companies to hold if you guys were interested in looking or doing more research for your portfolio. Manulife, again, insurance company in Canada. The last stock we're going to be buying today is one of the main ETFs, like I mentioned, VDY, and we're going to be buying a healthy couple of shares of this into my portfolio today, just to increase, just diversify with different companies, right? So I know I mentioned these individual companies that I invest in long term. I definitely believe in these companies, but just to reduce a little bit of risk in my portfolio and just for long-term gains, I do tend to hit pretty heavy into these ETFs. Main ETFs I'm investing in for you guys that haven't been tuning into my portfolio is VDY and VFV, 2 Vanguard ETFs. So we're going to be buying a whopping, I think we can get away with probably 28 shares or so of this, maybe even more. So we might be able to get away with 29 or 30. Looks like 30. So diving into about 30 shares of VDY, maybe not, okay. It just got denied. So we'll go for 29, hopefully this goes through. Perfect, confirm order. So again, 29 shares of VDY. We'll scroll back up to the top. I'll go through a little recap and then show you guys, or tell you guys what I'm making with dividends with this specific portfolio. So the portfolio, again, just to recap, is up to $44,000. Today we invested into TELUS, Manulife, and VDY. The portfolio is up to $2,000 all time, $44,000 in total. Total dividends earned from the portfolio are $789.77. Dividends this year, so just January, February, and the first little part of March, I've made $215.02. The last little thing that I wanted to mention before I let you guys go, I did contact the giveaway winner from my previous $1,000 subscriber video, Wen Wang, at Wen WYDD. I still haven't heard from you. So what I'm going to do is I'll give you another week or so to respond to me. Hopefully you do. I really hope that you get this and see this, and I'll try to reach out again. But if you don't reach out in the next week, I'm going to have to, unfortunately for Wen Wang, but maybe fortunately for everyone else, I'm going to pick a new giveaway winner. So I still have all the names. I'm just going to pick out of that bin. So I'll keep you guys updated, but I definitely want to give this $100 MasterCard to someone who deserves it. So Now, I'll keep you guys updated with that, but apart from that, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all your love, support. Leave a comment, subscribe, like this video. If you haven't already, follow me on Blossom Social. Follow my TikTok. I am posting on a regular basis on my Instagram now too. And then, like I said before, follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you next week with another update.